Hey, welcome back. In this video, we will discuss about the type conversions in Python. So we have discussed about the type conversion briefly when we have been talking about the if strings. Okay, so here we will be discussing the type conversion in a little bit more detail. So let's add a variable called num1 equals to, let's do 10. And now if we want to convert this num1 to a float, what we can do? But before doing that, let's print the type of num1. Okay, hit save. So as you can see, we are getting an integer. So now what we can do something like num2 equals to, and do something like float. And inside of this parenthesis, we can add the num1. And now the num2 is a floating point number. Okay, so if I just copy this one and paste it down here, hit save. Now as you can see, we are getting a float. Okay, so in this way what we can do, we can just change the type of the numbers here. Okay, so we have the complex function as well, which we can use. So if I just do complex, so if I just do that, as you can see, we are getting complex here. Okay, so let's do float. And here, let's print the num2 as well. So print num2. Okay, hit save. Run the program. As you can see, we are getting 10.0. Okay. All right, so we are getting 10.0. So we are getting a floating point number. Also, we can change the type to a string as well. So in case if you remember, so let's do something like price equals to 10, and let's do message equals to, let's do something like the price is, and plus the price, and print the message. Okay, so if I just run this program, as you can see, we are getting an error. What exactly it is saying? It is saying like, hey, can only concatenate strings, not integers. So the price is the integer here. So what we can do, we can convert the price to a string by using the str method or function and wrap the parenthesis around the price here. If we do that, as you can see, we are getting the price is 10. So all right, so this is how we can convert the type of the data inside of Python. Okay, awesome.